All right, so here's our span, right? 3 different measurements. One here, one in the middle, and one on the end. And the difference was how much? Do you remember? 1/4 inch, right?
Yeah.
So in the middle here, we have a 1/4 inch bigger measurement, and that's because we have to pull this wall in a little bit to straighten it out. So that's what we're doing now. So we're using a 1x8 rough spruce down to the floor. Helen's gonna nail it in right here, right like that, Helen.
Want to move your hand?
At least 3 nails. Let's put one in the middle, one right there.
Oh, like that?
Yep. Right there. You taking those little strikes, try to come back.
I'm not tall enough.
I know you're not. Someday.
I'm standing on my tippy toes.
Somebody get Helen a step stool.
Like that?
Like this. Go ahead, I don't care. Keep your eye on the ball. Not the best angle, but it's gonna work, Helen. I think it'll work. All right, so what's the theory here? You ready? Was that short when I asked you to move, Danny?
Right here.
Oh, was that short? It was that short? That's too short. Let me see. What do I got? Oh, right there. Right there. Helen, here you go. All right, how this works, guys. We nail that to the floor. We take this in here, put this here. We toenail this to the floor, and then we start pushing on this. And we start pushing on this brace, and we bring that up. So, give me a couple nails, Helen. I'll do that real quick so I can show this.
You have a hammer?
Drop me your hammer and a couple nails.
That was really unsafe.
What?
Mr. Burke.
Thank you, buddy. All right, so Helen's got it nailed up there. We're going to toenail it down to the floor here. Then we're going to take this board, get under it. We're going to toenail this. Now, we're going to start pulling on this. Pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling. Get tighter, and that ball's going to come in. We're going to get that measurement to be the same as the others. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Once we get that measurement, we check our line. So we're going to put up the 2 string lines. Check that measurement. Once we like it, 1, 2, 3 nails go in here. We leave that in, set our ceiling. Then our ceiling holds all that together. Then the springboards come out later.
Yeah.
Okay? That's a day. Ceiling joist, height above plate. How to determine the height above plate? Lay out your seat cut. Underside of the seat cut, top of the rafter. Height above plate. Lay out your ceiling joist. Height above plate. 12-inch run, 4-inch rise. There you go. To our springboard lesson that we did the other day. We pulled that in. So how do we do this? Springboard's attached straight down, and we're going to get ready to spring it. But why are we springing it? Right here, everybody. Look here. This goes, so our string is wrapped around a 3/4 block. So the string is on the outside of 3/4. So the string is exactly 3/4 of an inch off the plywood. And then if you look down the other end, Helen has it set up down there, 3/4 off the plywood. And that one needs some adjustment too, Helen. Right here. See how we're not quite in here, guys? You guys see this? This needs to be out here like this. So how do I do that? Okay. Okay. Uncle Dickie taught me this trick. No knot needed. You take the string. I want it to go here. I'm going to spin this several times. And I'm going to pull it onto here. Now I'm going to put my string here. I'm going to pull on this string tight, and I'm going to pull on this at the same time. Pull on the string and pull on this. Snug it up. Now stretch this back this way. There we go. There we go. No knot needed. It'll come right out. Now I take this, give it one more pull. One more pull. Come around here. That's going to sit here and wait for me now. So this is important right here, guys.
It changed.
Make sure that this is on the outside of the 3/4. Okay. So did it change on us?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did it change with? But look, I come up here and I can just, if you look, the line is still sitting on my block, right? Which means the wall has to go in this much, that much, here to there. See it?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go down, tap that in. Or Helen, you go down and tap that in.
Okay.
So can you go behind your block and slide up? Is it nice down there?
Yeah.
Just behind it, right? And then Danny, check the other side.
Okay.
It should just slide up under that string right at the corner. Flush to the building. And nice, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now, the middle is touching the string, so we need to move that. All right, Helen, you're gonna pull on that board. That's standing up. Oh, no, right here. That board that's standing up. Pull it back towards you. It's your springboard,
This one.
the 2x6.
This one.
Yes, pull it towards you. Engage the springboard. All right, you get it?
Yeah.
Now, here we go.
Keep pulling it.
So pull it back a little bit. Pull it towards you. Towards you. There you go. A little more. Right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you guys see what happened?
Yep.
Right there. Now, put a nail in that, Helen, without getting that in your face.
I don't have.
All right, Helen's getting her leg extenders. Vertically challenged, Helen. All right, double check. So you got the board there before you nail it.
Good?
It looks good. Danny, hold that snug so nothing moves.
Yep.
A second nail would be nice, Helen. Are you lining up good?
Yep.
All right. Did it hit?
Yeah. Should I get a third one in?
Sure. All right, here we go. Nice here. Nice here. And you're going to check the other end. Good. All right. Done deal. Now we're ready for our ceiling joist. All right, so our measurement in the corner, 138 and a half, 138 and a half. We've got our springboards in place. Everything's lining up. We should have 138 and a half here.
Yeah, 138 and a half.
And 138 and a half. All right, now we're gonna go in. That's our final cut, 138 and a half. Cut all our ceiling joists and go. All right, then this down here, no knot, right? We just loosen this up. Take this off. Here we go. No knot. Wrap that up and go. Tony, want to unhook me down there, buddy? Mm-hmm. All right. That's it. Let's go. All right, so ceiling joist. Crown it. Lock the crown. Crown up. Got my speed square and my framing square here. On my speed square, I got a 4 3/4 inch height above plate, so I marked it on there. So I have to keep looking for it. Here we go, right there. Framing square is set for 6 and 12, so we don't have to keep messing around with that. And I always like to think of this. This is the floor. This is the roof. So in other words, I'm coming in this way. So that's why I'm going this way with my square. 12, 6. Slide over till I hit that 4 3/4 mark. Clip that off. Flip this over this way. I'm coming in the other way now. I measured out 138.5. That's my length of my ceiling joist. I measured up 4 3/4. Put this on. And if you can see right here, I'm 12, 6. Slide over. Get that. So I have my gauges set at 6 to the edge, 12 to the edge. Find that 4 3/4 mark. Mark that. I'm going to cut that off. Here we go. Plate ready for us here. I'll maybe throw one on. Huh?
You want me to record it then?
I won't have a hard hat either.
Yeah, I just want to show you. So, there they are. I'm all cut. I'm not going to leave them like this overnight, okay? I'm going to roll them like this. And I'm going to crown them up. And we're going to bring these over. And we're going to stack them up against... We're going to stack them against this, put them all there, toenail the end one, put a board across so they don't roll, and we'll be at it tomorrow. So if somebody wants to get on the other end with me, grab yourself a hard hat real quick, okay? Put them in the middle so tomorrow we can just bring them over, slide them on over. Crowns are up. Okay, now you guys do the other side, okay? That's all of them?
Yep.
Get another nail on this side. And then I brought this board up. There. And then put the same one on the other side, and then we come tomorrow and lay it out.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we have to double check, make sure we have all our nailing on our double top plate, and then go at it, okay? Sounds like a plan?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. That's it, wrap it up, pal. Class is about to end. Helen, you want to nail it on the end one. They're going to hold it up tight against your springboard. Hold that board with your other hand. Hold the board you're nailing. Okay, okay.
Alright. You need to get the nail.
Yes. Thank you. Here we go.
Alright.
All right, good day, guys. You got your ceiling joist in. Nice job, Helen, Tony. 16 on center. We're using the Simpson tie. We're gonna fasten it there, and then the rafters going on the other side. Yes, yes. All right, Colin, so let's show everybody what we got for our roof here. So bring it on. We're gonna push it tight to the ceiling joist, aren't we?
Yeah.
So get that C-cut on there, right? It's so the clip is on this side, so we are gonna end up putting it on the other side, right? Just like that. And there's our layout. And there's our unit of run, 12 inches, right there. That's the diagonal, 13.42. The angle cut for our roof rafter is 26.57. And now if you want to bring that up on the other side, we'll show those who aren't here. We have our seat cut. We have an 8-inch overhang, seat cut, and here we go.
Bring it down.
All right, all right. That's it.